There is a special weather statement for the following areas in New Jersey, 100 in Somerset and Middlesex. There is a chance of some freezing drizzle during the evening hours as temperatures remain below freezing. Temperatures are expected to slowly rise and will rise above freezing later tonight, ending any freezing drizzle threat. Any freezing drizzle, or how light, can quickly slicken up road surfaces and sidewalks, so exercise caution if venturing out. For the following area in New Jersey, Western Passaic, and the following areas in New York, Orange, Putnam, Rockland, and Northern Westchester, and the following areas in Connecticut, Northern Fairfield, Northern New Haven, Northern Middlesex, and Northern New London. Freezing rain advisory in effect from 9 p.m. this evening to 8 a.m. Monday. The National Weather Service in Upton has issued a freezing rain advisory, which is in effect from 9 p.m. this evening to 8 a.m. Monday. Locations: interior southern Connecticut, portions of the lower Hudson Valley, and portions of northeast New Jersey. Hazard types: freezing drizzle, accumulations, light ice accumulations. Temperatures rising through the 20s. Timing: tonight into Monday morning. Impacts: light ice accretion will result in hazardous travel. A freezing rain advisory means that periods of freezing rain or freezing drizzle will cause travel difficulties. Be prepared for slippery roads. Slow down and use caution while driving. For the following areas in Connecticut, Southern Fairfield, Southern New Haven, Southern Middlesex, and Southern New London, and the following areas in New Jersey, Eastern Passaic, Hudson, Western Bergen, Western Essex, Eastern Essex, Western Union, and Eastern Union, and the following areas in New York, Southern Westchester, Northwest Suffolk, Southwest Suffolk, Northern Nassau, Southern Nassau, Northeast Suffolk, and Southeast Suffolk. Freezing rain advisory in effect from 7 p.m. this evening to 6 a.m. Monday. The National Weather Service in Upton has issued a freezing rain advisory, which is in effect from 7 p.m. this evening to 6 a.m. Monday. Locations: coastal Connecticut, Long Island, portions of northeast New Jersey, and portions of the lower Hudson Valley of New York. Hazard types: freezing drizzle, accumulations, light ice accumulations. Temperatures around 30. Timing: tonight. Impacts: light ice accretion will result in hazardous travel. A freezing rain advisory means that periods of freezing rain or freezing drizzle will cause travel difficulties. Be prepared for slippery roads. Slow down and use caution while driving. For the following areas in New York, Manhattan, Bronx, Staten Island, Brooklyn, Northern Queens, and Southern Queens. Freezing rain advisory in effect from 7 p.m. this evening to 3 a.m. Monday. The National Weather Service in Upton has issued a freezing rain advisory, which is in effect from 7 p.m. this evening to 3 a.m. Monday. Locations: the 5 boroughs of New York City. Hazard types: freezing drizzle,